AirTags are one of the greatest little products that Apple makes. People are putting these in everything. Cars, trailers, motorcycles, snowmobiles, camera bags, backpacks, and toolboxes. And people are finding how useful they are in their luggage. The only problem is that they have limited battery life and usually last between a year and a year and a half. So let me show you a cool way to extend the battery life in your AirTag to 10 years. If you've never replaced the battery in an AirTag, they're really easy to do. You just need to remove this little metal cover. And to do that, you just put your thumbs on top, give it a little squeeze, and rotate it counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn. And you can see, once we get it out, that it's only a thin, small coin battery. And you can understand why they only last as long as they do. So the idea that I had at first, and I'll use this bottle cap as a prop, was to 3D print a longer body for the AirTag. That way I could stack a bunch of these coin batteries on top of each other. And as I went through that thought process, I decided to look online to see if there was such a thing. And then I came across this great little product that someone has already made. It's called a time capsule, and the batteries will last up to 10 years or more. It measures just under 4.5 inches by 1.5 inches wide and 3/4 of an inch thick. This is really well built with quality construction. It's totally waterproof and it has a really good silicone seal. The brass inserts in the plastic are also precision. And you may be thinking, where does the AirTag go? So all you do is take your AirTag and flip it over and fit it on top of this battery looking thing. But this part is not a battery. It's there just to make a connection into the back of the AirTag, which are then connected over to the two AA batteries. And now let me show you the other cool thing, the batteries that it takes. Now I didn't know that AA batteries like this even existed. First off, these have a shelf life of up to 25 years. That means you can keep them in the junk drawer in the kitchen for up to 25 years before you use them. And if you use just any old regular AA batteries, they will always leak after about 2 or 3 years and destroy the item that you have them in. And this is the second good thing about these batteries, is that they're 100% leak proof. And the third great feature of these batteries is that they work well in extreme temperatures, which makes this perfect for cars, trailers, motorcycles, snowmobiles, and trucks that you leave out in the cold. And these are the hex bolts for the cover. They're good quality stainless steel. That way they won't be rusted into the cover when you go to remove it 10 years from now. And a way to tell if things are stainless steel is to just use a magnet. The wrench they give you is regular steel. If something is stainless steel, it'll have very low magnetism or attraction to a magnet. And once it's together, it has an IP69 weatherproof rating. And that means it's completely dustproof, waterproof, and can take high pressure, high temperature power washer cleaning. And that's perfect for any outdoor vehicle that you may have this stored on. And yes, AirTags do have their place on some small items. But as you can see, this will easily fit in luggage, cars and trucks, trailers, snowmobiles, and toolboxes, backpacks, and camera bags. But the difference is that this battery is now good for 10 years. So if you're interested in getting one, I'll have them both linked in the description under the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.